Good morning all. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss question number 66 of ionic equilibrium. And question is calculate the pH of the resulting mixtures. Now see, these are mixtures of base, acid, acid, base, acid, base. So it is a simple case of neutralization reaction. First we should find out either OH negative ion or H plus ions are in excess. That will decide the pH of the solution. Okay, so let us solve first question, A part. In A part we have calcium hydroxide and 10 ml 0.2 molar. So number of moles is equal to molarity into volume in liter. And if we talk about number of millimoles, okay, number of millimoles, then it is molarity into volume in ml, right? Molarity into volume in ml. Okay, now molarity of calcium hydroxide is given to us, its volume is also given. So first we calculate number of millimoles of calcium hydroxide, right? So to calculate, we have molarity, that is 0.2, and volume 10. That means total millimoles are 2. But we need OH negative ions. So number of millimoles of OH negative ions in calcium hydroxide is double, because in one calcium hydroxide it will give 2 OH negative ions. So double the number. So number of millimoles of OH negative ions in the solution is 4. Okay, now come to number of millimoles of HCl. So again molarity is 0.2 and volume is 25, so it is 2.5. Now one HCl will give only one H plus ion, so number of millimoles of H plus ions is equal to same 2.5. So from these two equations, see first one and the second one, we can see OH negative ions are greater than H plus ions. So H plus ions neutralize OH negative ion to give H2O. So this is neutral. Now H plus ions are, see, 2.5 and OH negative ions 4. Okay, so after neutralization, see, H plus ions are a limiting reagent, it becomes 0, and it is means 4 minus 2.5 and 2.5. So it has no meaning because it is neutral. So main OH negative ions are in excess, or you can write it as number of millimoles of OH negative ion left in the solution after neutralization. Okay, after neutralization is equal to, yes, 4 in minus 2.5, so it is actually 1.5. okay, so OH negative ion left after neutralization is 1.5. so let us calculate molarity, because we need molarity concentration. So molarity of, yes, OH negative ions in the solution, see, molarity is number of moles of OH negative ion divided by volume of solution in ml. sorry, number of moles, sorry, number of millimoles, okay? Because if number of millimoles we have, then volume should be in ml. If number of moles are there, we divide it by volume of solution in, yes, in liter, okay? So number of millimoles of OH negative ions are 1.5, okay? And volume is total volume. See, 10 ml plus 25, total 35, means 1.5 over 35. That is the molarity of OH negative ions, okay? So from this we can calculate POH. POH is minus log of OH negative ions. So minus log of 1.5 over 35. So it is minus log of 1.5 minus plus log of 35. So it comes out to be, what is log of 1.5? Log of 1.5. It is 0.079 minus, okay, plus log of 35. So it is 1.544. So you can take it as 1.54 as well. So 1.544 minus 0.079. So it comes out to be 1.465. Okay. So from this, you know, pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH plus POH equal to 14. So pH comes out to be 14 minus POH. So 14 minus 1.465. So 14 minus 1.465. So it comes out to be 12.535. Or you can write it as 12.54. So this is the pH of the resulting solution. I hope you understand it. See what we do. First we calculate OH negative ions, millimoles of OH negative ions, okay, by using this part. Then we calculate number of millimoles of H plus ions and then neutralize it. So what is left in excess? You know, in this case OH negative ions are in excess, okay? So we calculate OH, number of millimoles of OH negative ion first, then concentration of OH negative ions, and then on the basis of concentration of OH negative ion, you know, POH is negative log of OH negative ions, and then we calculate pH by using the formula that pH plus POH is 14. That's it. So in this way you can solve B and C part. See, in B part, there is H2SO4. So again, first we calculate number of millimoles of H2SO4, then we double it to calculate H plus ion concentration. Okay, it is very simple. See, 10 into 0.01, that is 0.1. That means H plus ion becomes 0.2. Got it? See, there is molarity is 0.01, volume is 10, and in H2SO4 it will give 2 H plus ion, so double the number. Okay, so number of millimoles of H plus ions are 0.2, right? Then OH negative ion concentration, number of millimoles of OH negative. See, again there is 0.01 into 10 into again 2, again it is 0.2, right? That means H plus ion and OH negative ions are equal, so nothing is left. That means there is a neutral water. So pH of the solution is 7. Solution is neutral. So it is simply 7. Got it? Very simple. C part. C part is, say again, number of millimoles of H plus ion, 0.1 into 10 into, tell me, H2SO4 into 2 means it is 2. And number of millimoles of OH negative ion, yes, again 0.1 into 10 into 1 because there is only one OH negative. Okay, so that comes out to be 1. That means in excess there is H plus ions. 2 minus 1 means H plus ions are, number of millimoles of H plus ions are 1. Okay, I will write here only. So from this we can calculate H plus ion concentration, that is 1 upon 10 plus 10. Total volume is 20. Okay, so from here it comes out to be just 100 into 10 raised per minus 2 over 20. That is 5 into 10 raised per minus 2 molar. So what is pH? Negative log of H plus ions means negative log of 5 into 10 raised per minus 2. So minus log of 5 minus log of 10 raised per minus 2. That is 2 minus log 5. Okay. So log 5 is 0.699. So it can take it as 0.7. Okay. So it comes out to be 1.3. That's it. Very simple question. So do it. Okay. If you find any problem, you will write in the comment section. I will reply as soon as I read the message. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.